Ever wondered why all the continents seem to huddle together on one side of our planet, leaving the other side almost entirely covered in water? It's a geographical quirk that's both fascinating and a bit puzzling. When you glance at a map, it might look like landmasses are evenly spread across the Earth. But here's the kicker. If you spin a globe and focus on the Pacific Ocean, you'll realize just how massive it is. So vast, in fact, that from the right angle, Earth appears almost entirely water-covered. Flip it around, and you'll see continents like Africa, Europe, and Asia clustered together. So why the lopsided arrangement? And this is the part most people miss. It's all about the supercontinent cycle, a geological dance that's been shaping our planet for billions of years. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this uneven distribution just a temporary phase, or is it a clue to something deeper about Earth's history? Let's dive in. The story begins with Pangea, the last supercontinent that existed over 300 million years ago. If you've ever noticed how the coastlines of South America and Africa fit together like puzzle pieces, that's a relic of Pangea's breakup. But Pangea wasn't the first. Far from it. Before it, there was Gondwana. And even earlier, supercontinents with names most people have never heard of. These landmasses weren't just random clusters. They were the result of continental drift, a process where tectonic plates slowly shift, pull apart, and collide over hundreds of millions of years. Here's the fascinating part. Every 300 to 500 million years, most of Earth's landmasses come together to form a supercontinent. To qualify, at least 75% of the planet's land must be part of this megacontinent. Today, Europe, Asia, and Africa are connected, but they only make up 57% of Earth's land area. Not enough to be a supercontinent. So, while the Atlantic Ocean is widening, pushing the Americas away from Europe and Africa, we're still far from an even distribution of land. And this is where it gets even more intriguing. In the distant future, say 250 million years from now, another supercontinent might form, dubbed Pangea Proxima. But why does this matter? Well, it's a reminder that Earth's geography isn't static. It's a dynamic, ever-changing system, shaped by forces we can barely comprehend. From orbit, especially over the South Pacific, our planet looks like a deep blue sphere with just a few scattered landmasses. It's a perspective that makes you appreciate just how much of Earth is covered in water, and how peculiar it is that the continents are bunched up on one side. Now, here's a thought-provoking question. If the supercontinent cycle is inevitable, does that mean humanity will one day live on a planet where land is even more concentrated than it is today? Or will we find a way to adapt to these geological shifts? Let us know what you think in the comments. This is a conversation that's as vast as the Pacific itself.